I like everything. I like the socialising, I like the question and answers that we have, I enjoy the talks that we have. You do walk out a lot more motivated than you do when you walk in. So it's always interesting. Oh, definitely come. Don't miss it. Don't miss it, because you will feel different.
You come away and you learn and you meet great people. So I think it's, yeah, you always leave and you're like, it's almost like an ADHD hit, like an adrenaline boost where you're like, oh, I've got all of these things that I need to do now. So you leave with like a plan. So it's always a good thing.
Growth Club is brilliant. You've got a community of people from across the majority of the country, loads of different businesses who, quite frankly, I've never met before, and you meet these new people every time. The networking opportunities is massive. I've met 4 new potential tangible leads for exactly what I want for my business. And the guest speaker as well, I will say, they get some fantastic people in here. They've got fantastic pedigrees, their qualifications are amazing. The stories they've got are well worth listening to. Stuff you wouldn't have heard before, I would highly recommend it.
Yeah, it's really good to talk to the other local businesses, and the mix of businesses is fantastic. So I was talking at lunch with a shoe company that supplied my kids' shoes, through to different engineering companies that we can potentially work with. Our accountants are here. We were talking about AI with the accountants. It's fantastic.
It's a very good day. It's very pragmatic. It's not in a way like academic, as in like just blurb, right? It's very user-friendly, tangible information, and that's what I like.
Yeah, I feel like it gives you that recharge for the next quarter, and you can leave there knowing that this is what I've got to do and that's what I've got to achieve. And then you can come back on the next quarter and you can review that, and you can actually see what 99% of the time you've done.
I think it's good just to come and share experiences, realise what other businesses there are out there that are in a similar situation to you, and understand where they're going through the same sort of issues, same challenges, and actually just sort of getting to meet people and sort of share your experiences. I think, yeah.
I would definitely have a look at it. I'd consider it. It's a big decision because it's going to change your life. But I always believe if there's a door ajar, go and have a look at the other side. It might just change your life for the better.